Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy KVR. Let's chop it up. A lucky ticket holder matched all six numbers Friday, snapping up an estimated 1.35 billion Mega Millions prize. The winning numbers were drawn Friday night, which were 30, 43, 45, 46, 61, and the gold Mega Ball was 14. The front page of the Mega Millions website state there has been a winner of the jackpot in Maine who overcame the odds that led to 3 months of drawing without a winner. So somebody won the 1.35 billion mega jackpot. They won it Friday. So basically, if I was this person, you know what I'm saying, wait. You know what I'm saying? You wait. You know what I'm saying? You wait. Come up with a plan. So I'm going to give them 9 ways to spend your Powerball lottery winnings. So, like I said, number 1, you're going to wait to share the good news. You know, you don't say it right away. You know, you don't tell people right away. You wait. Because the minute you tell them, they're going to be begging. You're going to have a whole bunch of... So you wait to share the good news. Step number 2, take time to reflect. You know what I'm saying? Think about your plans, your goals, your business plans. You know what I'm saying? Get your investment thinking out the way. Step number 3, hire legal and financial consultants. Definitely want to get legal and financial consultants, professionals, you know, people you could trust. You know what I'm saying? You just don't want to hire anybody. Go look at their background. Go on Yelp. Go look at reviews. See how they interact with their customers. Step number 4, you want to pay off all your debt. So before you get your money and the check cleared and into your hand, you want to pay off all your debts. So you want to enter with that new windfall debt free. Step number 5, start an emergency fund. That is very important. Start an emergency fund. Funds where you are allowed to pay yourself. You know, you can give yourself monthly allowances. Start up funds like that. Step number 6, set aside money for retirement. So you're going to retire immediately once you get your money. So set aside money for retirement so that way you can live off that. You know what I'm saying? Because you're going to be retired. You're not going to be working no more. So you're going to live off that money while the rest keeps accumulating. Step number 7, choose low risk investments. So when you want to invest with all that big set of money, you don't need to go crazy and get the biggest investments and all that. No. Take low risk investments. That's the best way to go. And step number 8, make social impacts. You know what I'm saying? Help the poor, help the needy. You know what I'm saying? Help people in need. But do it accordingly and don't do it foolishly. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of scammers out there who's going to try to scam you the minute the news breaks. So make social impacts. You know what I'm saying? Do it out the kindness of your heart. Do it to people who really needs the money. And step number 9, review your estate plan. You know what I'm saying? You always want to keep a review of everything. You know what I'm saying? Like a whole overview of everything. Have a portfolio. Keep track of all your goals, all your investments. You know what I'm saying? Like I said again, low risk investments is the best way to go. Low risk investments, you know what I'm saying? Like do a YouTube, you know, go travel around the world. That's a low risk investment. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Because you're already rich. So now just show your lifestyle off the YouTube where you can always get a monthly check from YouTube. You're going to be monetized. So now you just live off YouTube. You know what I'm saying? That's the best low risk investment that a lottery player can do. You know, again, a lucky ticket holder matched all 6 numbers Friday, snapping up an estimated 1.35 billion Mega Million prize. The winning numbers drawn Friday night were 30, 43, 45, 46, 61, and the gold Mega Ball was 14. The front page of the Mega Millions website state there has been a winner of the jackpot in Maine who overcame the odds that led to 3 months of drawing without a winner. So the winner is in Maine. Again, you know what I'm saying? This was groundbreaking news. 1.35 billion, because I was watching it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't play, unfortunately, but I was staying on top of it to see who's going to be the first big Powerball winner of 2023. And as you can see, we have somebody who has a winning ticket in Maine. You know, they have yet to claim it, but we know the winner is in Maine. So those are the 9 steps that y'all should take in consideration. You know what I'm saying? Get the steps in the way now. Learn it now. So when you win, it could be second nature to y'all. So until next time, YouTube, hit the like button for your boy, K Beyond. And I'm out the building. Peace.